Things that we should do as parents. सबसे पहला, first and foremost, building connection. ना मुझे लगता है कि as a parent and as a counselor, as a parent coach, I feel that this is the most important thing that we need to do as parents, building connection with our children. And there is nothing more important than this. Any other thing that I mention in the entire session would be less important than this particular statement. Suppose you have your office on the 20th floor, right? Okay, so you're going to your office, okay, and you enter the building and you meet somebody. He says, "Hi, how are you?" You say, "Oh, I'm good, I'm fine." You keep moving to your cabin on the 20th floor and you keep meeting people. Everybody keeps asking you, "Hi, how are you?" And you say, "Oh, I'm good, I'm fine. How about you?" "Hi, how are you?" "I'm good, how about you?" "अरे हाय कैसे हो?" "मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?" You continue to do this until you reach your office on the 20th floor. You meet people in the lift, you meet people on the corridor, then you go to your cabin and then you sit down and the colleague next to your cabin asks, "How are you?" And you say, "I am good, how are you?" Until your best friend in the office arrives and she comes up and says, "Hi, how are you?" So what are you going to say? "I'm good, how are you?" It's like as if you're just waiting for her to come and you're just about to tell her something. अरे तुझे पता है कल क्या हुआ? कल ना ऐसे हो गया, मेरी उसके साथ लड़ाई हो गई, and then he said this to me and I said this to her, and how dare he say this to me? मैं ऐसे कर दूंगी, I'm going to do this to him, I'm not going to talk to him. First he has to do this, first he has to apologize. Whatever is it in your heart, you will just vomit out everything. Why would you do so? And why didn't you do it to the 25 people you met on the way? Can you tell me?
Force and connection. Because
Absolutely,
there
yes.
is no formality when we are connected to anyone. We just not have to pretend anything. We just go with what we promise.
Absolutely my point. We did that because we felt connected, because there's a connection. Now this is the kind of connection I am talking about, and this is the kind of connection we need to develop with our children. They should always feel that they can come to us and vomit anything in front of us. They should feel that they have our back in anything that they are doing. They should feel, they should feel that they can come and say, "Oh, I messed up." They should feel that they can come to us and say कि मुझे नहीं आता. There should neither be any fear, nor insecurity, nor hesitation. So this is the kind of connection I'm talking about. When children have already strong connections inside the house, there would be no need for them to go out and seek those connections. They are not going to go seek those connections in drugs, in alcohol, in other substances, in other things. They should always feel that we have their back. They should always feel that they can make mistakes and still be loved. They should always feel that it is okay to be flawed and to be loved. Parents need to give this kind of connection to the children. If they don't find it, there will be a vacuum, because everybody in this world wants to be appreciated and acknowledged. And if they don't find this connection inside, they are going to look for it outside. And they may or may not get that connection outside. The outside world is not their parents. So that vacuum will be there unless somebody is able to come and fill this up. If it is not filled, it could take a whole life. If it is not filled, it could lead to alcoholism, it could lead to drug abuse, it could lead to inferiority complex, it could lead to superiority complex, it could lead to n number of mental health issues. So it is very important that we understand that building connection is the first and the foremost duty of parents. It is parents, we are not parents, or any parent, it is not their duty only to provide education, only to provide whatever material things are available, or only to provide whatever they can buy for the child. We are here to provide that connection to the child, because we are the ones who brought the children into this world. So we become responsible for building that connection with them. Now the question comes from the parents: how do we build that connection? And another thing, sorry, just getting back to the thing, कि parents will come and tell you कि आजकल मेरा बच्चा मेरी बात नहीं सुनता. He tries to answer back. He tries to do this. Things which are unacceptable behavior. Please go and find out where is the connection wire that has gone loose. Because half of the problems of the parents that come to me are solved because I see that the connection has been lost.